If you're still designing every Instagram post from scratch, it's no wonder staying consistent feels impossible. And if your content isn't showing up in the feed, neither are new clients. In this video, I'm partnering with Adobe Express to show you an easy system to create 30 days of Instagram posts in under 15 minutes. So you can finally post more, stay visible, and get booked out every single month. Most coaches struggle with posting consistently because they don't know what to say or post about. You sit down to create an Instagram post, stare at the blank screen, and waste 30 minutes trying to come up with one decent post. And if you've tried using Claude or ChatGPT to speed this up, you probably got generic, motivational fluff that sounds like every other coach online. Either way, whether you're stuck staring at a blank page or you've given up on AI, the result is the same. You're not posting. But here's the thing, the problem isn't AI. It's vague prompts and zero structure. Here's how to get AI to do the heavy lifting for you without sounding robotic or generic. I'm using Claude for this demo. It's what I use day to day, but this prompt structure works in ChatGPT too. We're going to break down the prompt into 4 blocks. Block 1 is the role, who AI is helping. I'm telling it that you are a social media strategist writing Instagram posts for a coach. This tells your AI how to think before it writes, so you get smarter, more targeted content from the start. Block 2 gives it content, who you are, who you help, and what your audience struggles with. Here's what I've included. In terms of the business context, I've told it what type of coach I am, who I help, who are service-based coaches, and the core problem that they have, which is getting consistent, qualified clients from Instagram. I've also given it audience context, telling it that these posts are written to potential clients scrolling Instagram, and they should sound like something a coach would confidently post. Giving your AI context stops the vague one-size-fits-all content that makes you want to rip your hair out. Block 3 covers voice rules. So how should it sound? These are the exact voice rules I use. For the voice guidelines, I've told it to be clear and practical, direct and not hypey, no cliches, no motivational fluff. In terms of the content rules, each post must be specific and concrete. Each post focuses on one clear idea. I'm really emphasizing on no abstract advice and making sure that it's client-facing language only. What this does is it fixes the stiff, robotic tone that people complain about. And block 4 is the actual task, what you want it to do. I've said here to create 30 Instagram posts for January, day 1 to day 30. For each post, generate a short and punchy hook or headline, 3 to 7 words, designed to sit on the graphic. I've also specified for the caption how long that should be and to have a post type label so that I know that the post is either a problem awareness one, a teaching post, or an authority post. In terms of the formatting, output as a CSV, and I've specified what the columns need to be as well, and some hard rules and guardrails on what I don't want, which are emojis or hashtags, any of these call to actions. If you'd like a copy of this prompt and others, I've put together a social media prompt pack that you can download for free. Link is in the description. And once you've fed the AI your prompt, you'll get your 30 tailored ideas for your Instagram posts. With your 30 ideas, what you do in the next 5 minutes decides whether or not it sounds like you or every other coach online. The first draft is never the final draft. Think of this as your starting point, not the finished product. You want to open the file in Google Sheets so you can see everything more easily and make tweaks. So if the post feels too scattered, ask your AI to align them around a specific theme or direction you're focused on this month. If the tone feels off, upload 2 or 3 examples of your own content like emails or captions and prompt it to match your voice more closely. This is the step that takes your content from clearly AI to clearly you faster. And once you're happy with the ideas, clean up the file and get it ready for the next step. We're going to remove any extra columns and make sure that the first row has a heading, and that's what Adobe Express will use to pull in your content. Now you've got 30 post ideas that sound like you, are structured, and are ready to design. But ideas sitting in a spreadsheet don't get you clients. Posts in the feed do. And if you're designing one post at a time, copy and pasting text, picking fonts, adjusting layouts over and over again, you will lose the next 5 hours easily. You'll need Adobe Express to put these into Instagram posts. You can try it for free, link is in the description. We're going to use bulk create in Adobe Express to skip all of that. So the first step in Adobe Express is to select an Instagram post template. You have thousands and thousands of options to choose. With the template open, select Bulk Create. Upload the CSV file that you created using Claude or your AI. Connect the element, which in this case is the text in your design. Match the element with the header name in your file. Select Next to create your pages. And you can preview the designs to make sure that it's matched to the correct column and select Create Pages. And now you've got 30 beautifully designed Instagram posts from your AI generated ideas. And you can swap in your own images or choose any of the bold and beautiful Adobe stock images in the library. But if the stock images don't quite match your vibe, you don't have to settle or reuse the same visuals over and over. We're going to go to Generate Image to prompt the perfect image for your post. We're going to add content, Generative AI, and Generate Image. I'm going to select Nano Banana as the model from the dropdown. This is the best model for keeping your image likeness. And then for the reference image, I'm going to upload my own photo. I'm going to prompt it to change my outfit to match a certain type of scenery in the Instagram post. And it's come up with a couple of options with crazy likeness that I'm going to use for this post. Some AI images of me. With one click, I can remove the background. You can use this to create images of yourself in different outfits or locations without needing to do a photo shoot for every single post. I'm going to generate a different background scene next. I'm going to select Firefly as the image model. This model is exceptional for vivid, beautiful imagery. You can choose the settings depending on the image that you want, and select Generate. And we get a beautiful graphic, exactly as I imagined in my mind, without me needing to scroll through millions of images in a stock library. Now you've got 30 posts ready to go. But if you're relying on yourself to remember to post every day, you already know how that ends. You mean to post, life gets busy, and 2 weeks later, that beautiful content is still sitting in your downloads folder. Instead of manually posting to Instagram, we're going to use Adobe Express's built-in scheduler to send your posts out automatically, whether you remember or not. I'm going to select Share and then Schedule Posts, then select the channel that you want to post to, which in this case is Instagram. You can write a caption yourself or use the AI to generate one for you, and then select the date and time and select Schedule. Once it's scheduled, it's done. You can see all of your scheduled posts from the content calendar in Adobe Express, and that's the whole system. 30 days of content created for Instagram, scheduled and ready to go. Set and forget. Now that you've built a whole month of Instagram posts in minutes using AI and Adobe Express, what if that was just the starting point? And there's a whole suite of hidden tools that can make your content look sharper, smarter, and way more scroll stopping. In this next video, I'll show you the 12 mind-blowing AI features in Adobe Express that most users don't even know exist, and exactly how to use them to create content that helps you stand out and get booked out.